What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this boba tea behind me. And don't worry, it's beginner friendly, it's super easy to make and all you have to do is follow the tutorial to the end. So enjoy! We are going to start by building the cup for our boba, and so delete the initial cube and the light. Go to front view, add a cylinder, change it to 18 vertices, zoom in a little bit, then go to edit mode, X-ray mode, select the bottom vertices, go Ctrl B to bevel, and then go scroll a little bit so it's more bevel, something like that. Save that, select the top vertices, move them up, and scale them a little bit. Then move to the top. Go again, edit, select faces, select the top face, delete it. It's looking nice. Okay, now move a little up, add a UV sphere here, change it to 18 by 18, move it up, change the vertex symbol, select all the bottom ones, and delete them. This is gonna basically act as the top of our cup. So scale it until it's about the size of the cup, more or less. Then move it a little bit down, like that. Go into edit mode again. Select the central vertex and then Ctrl plus to select the ring. And then go into face select and delete faces. Now go into edge select, select the outside rim, outside. And move it a little bit wider, like that. Now go to front view again, edit mode, vertex, select the bottom ones, and extrude, right click to leave them in place, scale, like that. Extrude again, and move them down, something like that. Nice, so now we have our cup, we have the bottom for a cup. So now we're gonna go into wireframe, cylinder, change it to about 10 vertices, and now select it, scale, shift set to only one in the X and Y axis, move it down about that much, and then scale in the set to make it taller, something like that. Move it up, that's too long. And that's actually too big, so let's shift set again. Rotate it a little bit, maybe move it, something like that. Go into edit mode, Ctrl R to add a loop cut, and then add the loop cut, and then add it somewhere around here, and this is going to be to make your liquid. So select the bottom vertices, shift D to duplicate, right click to leave them in place, P, separate, selection. So now exit that, go select it, scale it down a little. I'm actually going to wireframe mode again until the second lines are intersecting more or less. Something like that. Nice. So now we have our liquid. So now we have all the parts made except for the boba. So wireframe mode, go to the top, add icosphere, sorry, scale it down to the size that you want for the boba, something like that, and move them around and duplicate them, just where it seems good, and then go to front view again, move them down. Okay, that's pretty good. Now go here, create a new collection, just make it the boba, and and select all your icospheres and move them. One more. Move them into the boa. And we will call all of them like that. Okay. So now go to material preview. So go to shading. First, we're gonna make the glass. So new, or the plastic. Delete this principled BSDF. Add glossy BSDF. And also add a translucent BSDF and a light shader. Make shader and put them in there. Lower the roughness. Make sure you are in cycles and changes to GPU compute. We just need to add some light, but for now we can go to world and change the color of the world to something like that. And make sure to connect the shader to the surface. Okay, so now we can add the same material to the bottom. Now select the straw, new material, straw. We just don't make that color, so just choose any color. We'll go with red. That works. Nice. Now for the boba, select the original boba. Go new, rename it to boba. And just choose like a brownish color, so dark like that. Something any darker. And then select the rest of the boba. Control right click on the original. Control left click on the original, sorry. And go Control L to link materials. And now all of them should have a material. And we go back here. Instead of the glossy, actually, we'll add the principled BSDF. And what we'll do is we'll go lower the roughness, go to transmission and make it fully under transmission. And there we go, it's looking better. And now for liquid, which is this, we have liquid. And then what we're gonna do is also go to transmission, make it all the transmission, and choose your color. So in this case, I'll choose something like here. I don't know, somewhere there. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, that's looking nice. So now go here and go to modifiers. Add modifier. First add a solidify for about 0.4 even thickness. Then add a bevel. Just leave that one and add a subdivision surface. There we go. That should make it smoother, and then shade smooth. Nice. And then for the second one, do the same thing. So solidify, even thickness about 0.4, bevel here, and subdivision surface. Nice. For the straw, we also want to make it thicker, so also add solidify. This one, make it a little more. You can go to material to see better. Oh, I forgot. From the straw, go to face light and delete the top and bottom faces. Okay, so now make it about probably about 0.2. That looks nice. Oh, there's one boa sticking out here. There we go. Go back to our liquid and also make it less rough. And I forgot, on your liquid you also want to add the same modifiers as before. So you're gonna go search, solidify. This one, you just want to make it until it covers all of it, so it doesn't really matter. Just like 1.5, something like that. Then also bevel and subdivision surface, but with this bevel we want to make it like 0.2 without 12. We're gonna go here. This is the easiest. This is Blender Kit add-on, so we're gonna go to HDRIs and just search for Home Office Streaming Room. So select that one and add it in the smallest that you can, so 512. Now we're gonna have this. You're gonna position it more or less somewhere around there. Go back here, rotate everything. I like that, so like the straw is looking toward the side. Now remove this and add a camera and move it back to where we are, more or less. Something like that. Then go constraints, track 2, and just select, for example, our straw. Now we're gonna go camera view. Okay, so we have this. So we need to move our camera still. So we're gonna, delete the first camera, I forgot to delete it. So now go camera view. So make it higher a little bit and move it closer. Something like that for now. Select all of this and rotate a little bit more. This is too rough of a material. We want to make it about 0.2. We have a hole in the middle. Let me fix that, and the modifiers, solidify, like that. And go back to the material. Maybe 0.1 even. So it looks kind of like plastic. Maybe go to the liquid, change the color a little bit. That looks okay. Go to 0.9 in transmission. Now to keep adjusting the camera, we're gonna go to the camera itself and go to 100 mils. It's gonna be very zoomed in, but we're gonna move the camera back again. So you can remove this now. And move it somewhere like that. And then go sideways. And what you can do is select G, set, and it'll move back in the angle that it's looking at the object. And this is too much. Just keep adjusting it until it's relatively in a good position. And there we go. And now, if you simply hit render, if you did it properly, you should have the initial image.